Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you've not been here before, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are those vegan guys. Now, if you don't know, last year we wrote a song together called Choices. Available for sale on Bandcamp. We'll put the link down there. And 50% of the proceeds from the sale of that song are coming here to FARS, which is Farm Animal Rescue Sanctuary. I'm going to link up there an interview that I did with Lenka, one of the volunteers here, a good few months ago. Beautiful, beautiful interview, but we've been so excited about coming here, and this weekend we got a chance to. It's Easter weekend. Ashley's holding the camera. Shout hiya, Ashley.
Hi.
For us, just so we could do an intro. I'm stacked up with rich tea biscuits. I'm not this fat. I've got 3 packets of rich tea biscuits because apparently the sheep love them. So yeah, we're here for the first time. You got anything to say?
Thoroughly excited, looking forward to it. The tour's going to start any minute now, and we'll show you as much as we possibly can.
We're probably holding up the tour, so let's go.
Oh! How did you know?
It's worth mentioning, by the way, because I didn't in the intro, this is the lovely Carol behind who started all of this. But they do regular open weekends here at FARS. So obviously we're also going to put the link in the first comment down there and in the description to the FARS. I think the Facebook page would probably be the best bet, but I'll put the Facebook page and the website. Keep your eye on it. It's only like a £5 to come along, and that money really helps. Also, if you can donate, please donate. If you want to buy our single, brilliant, 50-50. Buy passos, go straight to FARS, give them a donation for the incredible work they do, please. Have a look at these stalls, Jay. I'd wear them.
So welcome to FARS. So we've been here about, we're not sponsored by Fuel or anything like that. So we've been here about 20 years now. We've been at this site. Carol, the lady who started it, she started rescuing lambs when she was a vet nurse about 30 years ago down in Warwickshire, and she started basically taking lambs off farmers that didn't want them for various reasons. Lambs are unwanted, either they're like orphan lambs or the other fields that cover like the 60 acres are linked to the polytunnels. So everyone, all the sheep have shelter whenever they want it. But these sheep we also feed twice a day. They're a lot closer to us, so we can keep a better eye on them. These tend to be the older sheep, so most of the sheep you see in the Blue Barn or in the Blue Barn fields are in their teens. Or they're very young. They were some of the last sheep to come in 3-4 years ago, and they're due to go out in the main polytunnel slot because they really no longer need extra grain-based food. I suppose, as opposed to a dog, none of them are going to bite. Don't worry about that. Like, none of the sheep will bite, even if you're hand feeding them. This is Curly Sue. Hello, mate. What's happening? All these people, I'm in here on my own. Yeah, this is Curly Sue. So she's due to get. She's an old lady. She came in pregnant. She's had 2 lambs here.
Hello, handsome. Oh, there's loads in there. Would you like a biscuit, love? Very beautiful. One more for the handsome. One more for the handsome. Yes, you can have another one. Okay, alright. One for you. One Got another one. Got another one, young man. There we go.
Hello, big man.
If you come here, they love them, they all love them. Gorgeous.
We have another pig, Toby, who's also brought in similar circumstances. And there's another sanctuary that has had similar pigs. I think it's a common thing, like small piglets will slip through barrier crates or transport trucks. And if people find them,
weekend, the most of it, the bank holiday.
Ah, there you go,
Nomskis.
Well, you're just dastardly handsome, aren't you? Look at the size of him. Very friendly, yeah. And he really enjoyed the apple, it's all gone.
I thought you would already have
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, we'll get another one. Only because you've got fancy colours on your hair, though.
Hello.
Yeah, darling. Here we go. Whoa, rich tea. A nice rich tea.
Hello. You are so lovely. You are so lovely.
You are lovely, aren't you? You are lovely. you? Pulling on my blouse. Here. And you. Ouch! If I could toe then, oh, she's heavy. Not that friendly. Yeah. Oh. Right, here. One for you. You haven't had it yet.
Spinning technique is the way to go.
That's how you get this thing. Okay. Nearly all out. Nearly all out.
Last bit. There we go. I'm walking away.
Hello, baby. Hello, lovely. God, she's gorgeous.
Brace yourself. Really?
Oh, you're less scary now you're here. Yeah. He's coming for me.
Give you a massage.
Do you have food for the tubby?
He's coming for me. All the biscuits have gone, mate.
Oh, you're filthy now.
What's this? Uphill bananas. Okay, well, you have to peel it. Because the apple you might have to break it up. It's very spoiled.
Ow!
But he also does live next to me.
Hello, love. I'm glad I put my dirty jeans on. This is exactly why I did it.
Yeah, are they doubles or singles? Yeah. Cheese? Yeah, just one with cheese, okay.
So this is Ian, by the way, butcher to vegan. You might have seen him chatting on some of our lives recently. How long were you a butcher for, Ian? 32 years. And he's now vegan and does burgers here at FARS. So if you ever come to FARS, and you should come to FARS for a tour, come and buy a burger off Ian and all.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Nice one. Yeah, cheese as well, definitely.
All of the things.
Hello, Don. You know the burgers?
Ooh, samosas.
I know.
What I do, and then because of that, I've said that the first 6 months goes to FARS.
Nice one.
So I need to get the So I'll be badgering you just for a subscription.
Come on,
We'll point a few people in your direction for sure, mate.
Ian, do a Skype chat with me.
No, I was going to say, we're talking, like, you asked the other week, didn't you, and I respond. I did respond.
For our Village Voices series. Because we've got like this whole playlist of just people telling their stories. We stood in a puddle doing our closer. Literally, there's puddle here, good job we've got wellies on. Covered in sheep snot, pig slime,
Bit of poop,
all kinds of stuff.
bit of mud.
And it's fabulous. What a great day, what a great day to just come and, you know, connect with the animals, the ones that are being saved, and get to live out their lives here in you know, and it's just had a bit of an emotional moment with one of the pigs. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. We've had a gorgeous burger from butcher to vegan, Ian. Yeah, it's just been a great day. Can't recommend it highly enough. If you're up for the travel, or if you live locally and you see that Farm Animal Rescue Sanctuary is having an open day, come along. Yeah, because I think you'll love it. Jason had his pants pulled down by a sheep. I'm not joking.
Down to my knees. Glad we didn't vlog that part.
Somebody else, if anyone's got it on film, share it,
Or
tag
even
him.
a picture. Yeah. I can't really, all I can do is echo what Paul said. We've had an amazing time. We recommend you to click on the links below, check out FARS. If you're able to donate even a couple of quid, it all helps looking after these animals, and they are incredible.
And if you would feel more comfortable doing something more local to you, then find a local animal sanctuary closer to you, and donate or volunteer or do something.
Maybe just check out first whether they sell bacon butties or not, and then maybe avoid that one.
Yeah, so that's the great thing about here. Everything that's been on sale today is vegan. All of these, I bought some fabulous earrings of the vegan queens. You'll see them in a future vlog. But yeah, it's been amazing, and I'm so glad we got a chance to come down here. So over to you now. Excuse me. Love you, mister. I love you too. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll say, oh, that was lovely. We'll see you again very soon. And until then, please be excellent to yourselves and each other. Bye, loves.